Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV1, and today we are at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, and we're at the Kidani Village, which is the DVC side of Animal Kingdom Lodge, and we're gonna get a room tour here. So I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. Donna, Samantha, and Richard are staying here, so they were very kind and let us tour their room. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so we're in the hallway. I love the carpet in here and the lighting. They look like drums. So cool. And the doors are even really neat. All right, let's go inside and check out the room. So this is a 2-bedroom villa. So a nice big size room, and again, this is DVC side, the Kidani Village. So as you walk in, there is a closet here on the left with washer and dryer, which is nice when you're staying in here for a week or more. Got a vacuum cleaner, places to hang your coats, which you don't need in Florida. I guess raincoats. There is also a full-size bathroom here to the right as you first walk in, complete with shower, toilet, and sink. I love the tile and the curtain. It's really cool too. Okay, and then you walk in, and here is the kitchen area, full kitchen. So you have a bar with some bar stools, have a stove, a microwave, coffee pot, and a full-size fridge. And it also comes stocked with glasses, cups. Be sure it has plates and different cookware as well. So if you want to cook while you're staying here, you have all of that, which is nice. It also comes with a mom, Donna, our Johns, and Samantha. Just kidding, they all don't come with that. This one does though.
We're extra.
So thank you for letting us tour your room. Yeah, they cost extra. So this is the living room area, and the couch that they're sitting on does pull out into a, I believe, queen size, I think. Yeah. So very nice. And then yes, the one Samantha's sitting on also pulls out into, I would say, a twin size bed. There's Resort TV playing there. That's nice. And I love this table over here. Everything in here is themed so well. Mufasa on the back. I'm pretty sure that's Mufasa. On the back of the chairs. And then over here, you have Simba. Little Simba. And then there's some animals on the drawers as well. I love all the details. So cool. There's a cool lamp behind Samantha here. And you have a nice savanna view. It is raining right now, so there's some animals out there, but not as many as there normally would be. They're kind of all hanging out under the trees. I don't blame them. All right, so they have a nice balcony, which we'll go out here in a second. Turn around, here's everybody again. Hello, hello. And so right here is the master bedroom. So it has a nice king-size bed here. I love the headboard there with Simba and Nala. So, so cute. And the lamps are really cool too. Richard said he has some eggs in here that are about to hatch. Don't know what's gonna hatch. Maybe a dragon? I don't know. Nice sitting chair over here. Love the artwork. You have end tables on both sides. A nice desk. Mirror and a lamp. And then again, Resort TV on the TV there. Nice dresser. There's also a balcony where you can go out to the savannah here as well. really, really big bathroom here in the master bathroom. So here is your sink, places to put some things down there, towels, huge mirror. I love these lights. They look like candles. You can see them. So cool. There is a stand-up shower over here. Big stand-up shower. And check out the tile work in here. How amazing is this? So cool. Lion King, they're all right there. How cute. I love it. Big jacuzzi tub over here. And that tile work goes all the way into the shower, which is amazing. And then if we pivot all the way around, we have toilet room right in here. Nothing special about that. No paintings in there or anything. But there's also a closet here. Ironing board. There's a safe. Places to hang your clothes and extra pillows and blankets. So we head back out of the master bedroom into the living area. And now we're gonna go into the other bedroom. So over here in the corner is another closet. Back up, and here is another bathroom. So there's 3 bathrooms in here, which is amazing. I love the mirror. Over here is the toilet room. The shower is over on this side. I love the tile work here. How cool is that? You have your Disney soaps in here. Shampoo, body wash, conditioner. Come out of the bathroom, there is another closet. All sorts of storage. And then in here are 2 queen-size beds. I love the details in here. And the lamps. End table. Very nice that they have lots of plugins for all your stuff. I love how they've updated that, because everybody has lots of things to plug in these days. And pivot around here. You have a desk and a TV again in here. So there's TVs in each of the rooms. Nice dresser. Nice little bench here for either luggage or sit on and put your shoes on. And another balcony. So the balcony is the whole width of this entire 2-bedroom, which is amazing. So we're gonna go outside. This window's a little smudgy. We're gonna go outside here and I'll show you the balcony. All right, guys, let's go out and check out the balcony. So as I said, it goes the whole length. So here's the room with the 2 beds in it. It is storming and raining. So you can see here's one balcony, one exit or door for the balcony right here. And there's the main one where the living area is. And then here's the one for the master bedroom. So really, really big balcony, which is awesome. And a nice view of the savannah. And there is a zebra hanging out under the trees. Poor little zebra. Getting a little bit wet. Donna was saying that they feed the giraffes right here. They put food out by these palm trees right here, and so they had giraffes all the way up here, which would have been amazing normally here in the afternoon, but since it's raining, they are taking shelter, but that's okay. You can't blame them. So there's a few animals out and about. bird looks like he's having fun splashing in the puddles. Really cool in the back of the chairs too. They have little zebras. Alright guys, well that is it for the room tour here at Animal Kingdom Lodge in the Kidani Village side. So that is the DVC side of the resort. So a big thank you to Donna, Samantha, and Richard for letting us tour their room. So thanks guys.
Welcome.
Beautiful, beautiful rooms, awesome view, and I bet you guys enjoyed staying here.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah. So, alright guys, well give us a thumbs up if you liked this video. Let us know in the comments down below if you've ever stayed here before or if you're excited to stay here the next time you're here. And also, make sure you're following us on all the social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free Disney planning advice. And also Victor Naraki, he is a realtor here in Central Florida. If you've ever dreamed about living here near the magic, check him out at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/Naraki Realtor. Make sure you tell him Resort TV 1 sent you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.